Chromebooks are cheap, but let's be honest, they kind of suck, and that's why this laptop may be a great deal for you.
We paid only $200 for this laptop with a Ryzen 7000 series CPU, but is it actually any good? We're gonna open it up and find out after a word from today's sponsor.
Having a high quality power supply for your gaming PC is important. And one company you should definitely consider for your next PC build is today's video sponsor, NZXT, and their new C series of power supplies. Meet their top of the line C1500 that comes packed with an 80+ platinum and cybernetics titanium efficiency rating, a 0 fan mode when the power supply is running at less than 60% load, and it comes packed with two 16-pin 12-volt power connectors, perfect for any high-end gaming PC build. But NZXT also offers 80+ gold models at a wide range of power options, from 850 watts to 1000 watts and even 1200 watts, catering to a variety of PC builds from mid-range to high-end. These gold power supplies come with the 80+ gold efficiency and also boast a Cybernetics Gold 1 efficiency rating and an A rating on the noise level scale, along with durable heat-resistant 12-volt 16-pin power connectors suitable to push 600 watts for the RTX 40 series GPUs. They're available in black or white to fit the color scheme of your next gaming PC, and you can learn more about these for your next gaming PC build by checking the link in the description down below. Big thanks again to NZXT for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's get into it, shall we?
This is through Walmart, through HP supposedly, but I have a feeling it's a similar situation to that last video we did where Peripherio had a listing hijacked and this was like a refurb listing. But for $199, this is a restored HP laptop with a Ryzen 5 7520U and 610M graphics.
I refuse to believe that this would be like HP or anyone, because like this stuff's used. Like, this is old phone.
Yeah, no, this is low level packaging, I will be honest with you. But we paid $199 for this thing, and with a 256 gig SSD and 8 gigabytes of RAM, I think it could be a decent deal. Is this midnight blue? Because that's what the, okay. No, it's silver.
Yeah, what?
All right, so the one we ordered was midnight blue, so we're already off to a great start here. But in theory, with a 7000 series Ryzen CPU, modern CPU, this would be better than something like a Chromebook. And of course, here at the Toasty Bros, we got to see if it can game.
I need to open it up before, just to make sure this is that doesn't feel right. That sticker feels...
That looks very, I don't know, maybe we have maybe we didn't get what we ordered here. Let's just keep going. Let's keep going. I don't know. Maybe we should have bought a Chromebook. Maybe we should have bought a Chromebook is what we're learning in this video.
Okay, the battery's dead, so we got that guy. See, normally I'd go over the ports, but I kind of want to know, like...
Did we actually get what we ordered?
This feels older. Like, this doesn't feel like it would have 7000 series in it.
All right, we're gonna plug her out. This is a little out of order. It's a little crusty.
I mean, honestly though, I guess if it's $200 and it's like good still, it's okay.
The refurb's really garbage though. Who?
No, this isn't this is just used. Would you saw Windows 7 pop up?
There's no way. Guys, were we resisting from saying, oh, what the?
Complete the line in the comment section down below. Oh God.
We're already in startup recovery. I'm scared.
Why is the screen so dang hairy? So wait, is this actually a Ryzen 5?
So it is a Ryzen 5. So the 7520U.
75, okay.
Yeah, 7520U. I think that's a 4-core 8-thread. So that's pretty common for these like office laptops that come with Ryzen APUs. They're not gonna be the 6-core 12-thread variant. Let me verify that though. God, I've never seen such a dim screen. So far, it's not great.
I mean, it's still $190, so I'm trying to be like optimistic because it's like, it's really cheap.
It's incredibly cheap for a laptop, but it's failing in some areas currently. So normally, I'll give out government secrets. If you do Shift F10 on these Windows installs, you can get into the command prompt and allows you to do basically a bypass command that gets you past the required sign-in. And on like every device ever, it works. For some reason, this one doesn't. So the display got brighter, if you can't tell. I randomly just flashed on, I'm assuming maybe because it was running a low battery mode because it was so dead. But it's a lot brighter now. So okay, I'm still signed into a Microsoft account. Oh my God.
Oh,
this can take a while, so might as well go to Taco Bell.
Let's go to Taco Bell and come back, because...
What even is this? Is this like what happens when you sign in?
Yes, it happened. I set up one yesterday. I did go through the Microsoft setup process. Get this exact thing happen.
All right.
Let's go get Taco Bell, and then we'll verify the specs. Do we look different after Taco Bell?
I feel like I've gained 20 pounds, but we're in Windows, and what's up with the marbles on stream?
I guess that's probably some stuff that was like synced. Wait a minute.
What the...
Okay, come on. What? Wait,
That's why the
touchscreen?
screen's glossy.
Oh, so it's a touchscreen laptop. I did not expect that at all, actually. But hey, touchscreen, that's cool. As you see, it's a lot brighter. And I guess we're gonna verify the specs. Let's task manager it.
So the screen is 1366 by 768.
Ew,
So
that's not ideal for
Yeah,
a 15.6-inch laptop, 720p.
a little under 1080p for sure. We're just at, yeah, 60 hertz. All right.
Did we get scammed?
Pentium.
Oh my God, we got
Oh.
scammed!
Oh, it's a 3500U.
Hunter Fabio, I'm coming for you, buddy. So this video
know.
just took a turn for the worse.
Okay, all right, well, let's go over the specs. We got 3500U, which is a 4-core, 8-thread. We have 8 gigs of DDR4 at 2400 megahertz. It is 2 of 2. What is that thing?
Kioxia?
Kioxia, and it's a 256 gig. It looks like it's an NVMe, I assume.
Okay.
And then, of course, the Vega 8. So, okay, this makes sense why I was saying, that sticker
looks
didn't feel
old.
right.
Okay, I need to pull up. Let me just make sure. Let me pull up the Walmart order.
Make sure we like got the right thing.
Yeah, so your package arrived, restored Ryzen 5 7520U with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gig SSD. This is sold and shipped from Green Hope. Green Hope, so I have no idea who they are. So I guess the direction we can go is, the funny thing is, we got this laptop. It has been a couple weeks since I've opened it up. That's the one downside of being YouTube. Sometimes like these videos are way out of time and like I haven't been able to look at it. I could reach out to them and see what they say and be like, yo, I did not even get the same laptop.
Right.
See what kind of response we can get. I mean, obviously we already had laptops, so we'll test some stuff. I don't really expect great results because we've benchmarked these laptops so many times. What do you think, Jonah? Should this video turn more into us trying to figure out how we got scammed?
I'd be curious to see too, like, because this has happened a few times now where we're like scammed, but we're not scammed. It's not like they sent us a brick. Like we got, I would say $190 plus laptops. So I kind of want to check eBay and see what these things go for because I want to know, did we get a lot less value than what we should have gotten, or did we just get like a little less and it's maybe not that big of a deal? I don't know.
Yeah, it's just versus, and it is a 3500U.
It is not DDR5, it's DDR4.
Yes, so that's probably the biggest thing is with these APUs, there's a pretty decent jump, especially with the integrated graphics, because that would have been, these are like basic Vega 8 graphics, that would have been Vega 2 graphics, so it's a 610M. So like, that would be a pretty decent jump over these basic Radeon graphics for gaming, that is.
But touchscreen.
But it has a touchscreen. We'll look more into it. I'm gonna send a message to the seller. We'll get something installed on here so we can show you guys what the benchmark's like, but I think this is gonna be more of an investigative piece at this point. Let's see what we got. Jackson's gonna do some research on pricing. We're gonna see what the seller has to say about this.
We need to research the seller too, see if they actually have good ratings or not. All right, so I was able to do a little bit of research. This is not an easy thing to find, by the way. I don't know why it's like kind of hard to find Walmart seller homepages, but I basically typed in Green Hope Walmart, and it is this link here. Yeah, because you can get to like their store page where they're actually like selling stuff, and I'm like, no, I want the actual profile, and here we go. Green Hope, we got 3.7 out of 5. The actual business name here, they're located in Oregon, cool. And it says that they're a pro seller, whatever that means. I guess it's like, you know, they're verified. But as you can see, they have a pretty good amount of 1-star ratings. And these are kind of just being sorted by like most relevant, but a lot of these are saying, like this one right here, sent me the wrong laptop and it didn't seem brand new. This one here says the laptop is in poor condition, got a substitute without getting notification. There seems to be a lot of those. I kind of scrubbed through these, and a lot of them are saying that they got something completely different than what they paid for. And I don't know if I'd even call these substitutes. Like they're just sending worse products every time, it seems like.
Considering the reviews are that bad across the board and it's always worse products, not better substitutes, which I would expect a brand if they ran out of something to send something better. It's a big problem. I love this right here. It says they're a pro seller on Walmart, pro seller. But yeah, this is the actual order. We have to blur out some of this stuff, but I'll put a screenshot of the accounts we put on screen here. But HP laptop, 7520U. It was delivered on July 3rd. Again, there's a bit of a gap. Today is July 16th. And we paid $199 with a $60 discount, and that listing is still there. And on here it says it's through HP, but again, we've had this situation before where the listing changes sellers multiple times. We had that happen with Peripherio, where we thought we were buying one computer and ended up with something else. This might be the case here, where if you actually buy from HP now for $260, it might be the legit laptop that we originally wanted. I'm thinking I sent a message to these people, but based on the feedback, starting a return, if a return's even possible at this point, I don't know, it's been a little bit. might be our best option, but I guess that's probably what they'll suggest if I message them. I'm just kind of curious because based on the reviews, they'll be like, uh-oh, we made a mistake. Let's just send you a new one or just give you your money back.
I kind of want to know. I think it's worth it because what if they, you know, I think if they don't do the mistake, good. But what if they hit you with like oh, we sent you a better product? You know, I would
You
love
know
that.
what? Let's see. How do I
I'd love
contact the seller? Hello, my name Matt. What I got was not the laptop I ordered.
You should kind of like leave it open. Like, is there a reason I got a different one? Or
Should I get my order number or just keep it?
Yeah. I just want to know if they try to tell the truth and say, nah, that's just the wrong one, or if they try to play it up to be like, oh, this one's equivalent.
Okay, so yeah, we'll just see. Acting like an average customer that would have gotten this and would have probably been very disappointed, did I get something better? And if they say that it's better, Green Hope
You can't
is
really
going to need a
feel
lot
bad.
of hope after this goes on the internet. Let's go ahead and send this. Give it a little bit, see what happens. But from now, this says 48 hours. So we'll see if we hear back in the next couple of days. If we don't, then we'll show benchmarks and probably just return this thing. If we do, hopefully it's something interesting. So you're doing some market research to see if this laptop for $200 is still good, and what kind of deals did you find?
So we got this one here, which I think is pretty much the same one. 15.6 inch screen, 3500U, 32 gigs of RAM, 512 gig SSD, Windows 11 touchscreen for $175 plus $10 shipping. Now it doesn't come with the AC adapter, but we'll just say that's 20 bucks more.
The RAM's crazy.
Yeah, the RAM's wild. Now this one's 16 gigs. It's a 13.3 inch, so this really isn't the same laptop, but it's close, and it's $188 with free shipping. It comes with the charger, so yeah, it's not. I was kind of hoping that maybe the laptop was a little better, but it seems like everyone's right. The seller is sending lesser quality products for the price.
Yeah, so it's definitely not equal, especially in terms of the value. So the great deal we got was just normal, if not below average.
Yeah.
So let's just see what the seller says. So it's been like 5 minutes and I already got a message back from Boyong Zhang. Thank you for reaching out. Sometimes for the Restore laptop, we do upgrade to bigger hard drive for better experience.
Oh God,
Oh boy.
I don't.
Oh boy. So basically I said, thanks for your response. The one that I ordered said it comes with a Ryzen 7000. The one I got says it comes with a Ryzen 3000. Is this better also?
We're gonna see how deep they dig.
I swear, if they say yes, this is gonna be bad. This is not gonna be good. Let's just see what our buddy says after that.
All right, guys, well, I wish this video had a little bit more of a happy ending, but as of now, we kind of need to move on. We have not heard anything back from the seller since they told us we got an upgraded hard drive. Not really sure what was going on with that, but normally we really try not to, dog on certain sellers and hate on people, but I gotta say, I'm not really a big fan of this Walmart seller. Based on the other reviews that they've had, I don't fully understand how they're still selling on Walmart.
And since there will be some time between us filming this outro and McAllister editing this video, if anything does change, like us hearing back from the seller or anything like that, I'll jump in right here, tell myself to shut up and talk more about it. But at the time of recording this video, we're kind of at the point now where we're gonna see what a return process will look like. And if that was successful, we will put successful down here. And yeah, all in all, it just wasn't a good experience. Went into this hoping for a good deal, but in reality got something that was just meh. And the fact that there's a continued trend with this seller of doing stuff like this with a wide range of different products kind of makes it seem like it's a bad idea to buy from this seller on Walmart. So let us know what you think down below. And if you found any Walmart deals or have had experiences buying on Walmart and having something like this happen, let us know in the comments down below.
But as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
Now you know who won't send you the wrong stuff? PCBros.tech, because we either send you what you pay for or something better.
PCBros.tech. We have high-end gaming PCs, office laptops, gaming laptops, and so much more. Use code ToastyBros on checkout. You'll save 3% on your next purchase. See you guys later. Goodbye.